Here's a Galaxy 14-inch box fan. I picked this up of Marketplace up north. It came from a radio station of all places, which I thought was pretty neat. Always wanted one of these, and kind of glad to have one, because I always thought I was never going to be able to find one, because people want a ridiculous amount of money for one of these. But this thing is in immaculate condition. Not a crack anywhere. And it's really not even yellowed out. But yeah, I've been slowing down a lot on fan collecting in general. There's been a lot of fans that popped up on Marketplace that I just not have been any slight of interest of wanting to go get. But this one was one I've been wanting for a while, so I went and drove 2 hours north to go get it. So well worth the drive. But I'm hoping this Fanimation, or whenever the Fanimation trip is, I'm hoping to get rid of a lot of shit. And I'm only going to really just keep stuff that's childhood and things that are rare. Otherwise, if it's something that I can easily just get, I'm just getting rid of it. But anyway, onto the fan. We'll start up on low. It's actually got a startup sound, which is actually kind of cool. We'll go to medium. And go to high. And go to off. The brown ones are cool, but I've always wanted the blue one, because blue is one of my favorite colors. So, will I ever get a brown one? If it falls in my hands, or if I find one for like a really cheap price, but the chances of that's probably going to be also slim. Let's do a high startup. See if we can get that startup sound. And do a low startup here in just a second. Whenever the blades stop. Okay. I think that's pretty cool. But anyway, that's it. And until next time.